Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. PHP is a recursive acronym for PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Rasmus Lehrdorff is father of PHP. PHP was conceived by him in the year 1994. Let's first have a small introduction to features of the PHP. Open source. PHP is a widely used open source language. Open source refers to anything that people can easily modify to suit their needs. An open source program is designed for the general public and is accessible for use. General purpose. It is a general-purpose scripting language. A general-purpose language, GPL, is a programming language that is capable of creating all types of programs. A language that is not a general-purpose language is called a DSL, domain-specific language. A scripting language is a programming language that is interpreted. It is translated into machine code when the code is run. Server side. PHP code is executed on the server, generating HTML which is then sent to the client. A user would not know what the underlying code is because he gets the results as HTML in the browser. Web development. It is especially suited for web development. Embedded. It is embedded into HTML. We can write PHP code inside HTML code. Fewer commands. It uses fewer commands to output HTML when compared to similar languages. Command line scripting. We can run it in the terminal as a command line scripting, without any server or browser. Object-oriented. PHP is an object-oriented language. With PHP we also have the choice of using procedural programming or object-oriented programming or a mixture of them both. Desktop application. Although we can develop desktop-based applications with PHP, it is probably not the very best language to create a desktop application. Choice of operating systems. PHP can be used on all major operating systems. Variety of output types. With PHP, we are not limited to outputting HTML only. It can output images, PDF files, text, XHTML and XML etc. on the fly. Wide range of databases. One of the strongest features of PHP is its support for a wide range of databases. I hope now you understand very well that what PHP is and how it is going to help you in your web development projects. We will discuss 2 essential requirements to run PHP on your computer in the next topics. If you have not yet subscribed to the CodeFork channel, please subscribe now, and also click the bell icon to get notifications on forthcoming videos. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Stay tuned. Thank you.